Structure of prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, generally all the prokaryotic cells have cell wall which surrounds the cell membrane except mycoplasma. There is a fluid inside the cells. That fluid's matrix is called cytoplasm. Unlike eukaryotic cells, in cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells, there is no organelles are found. There are no any organelles are found except ribosomes. Ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells. The genetic material is basically naked and not enveloped by nuclear membrane. It is called nucleoid. Nucleus is absent and nuclear membrane is also absent in prokaryotic cells. In addition to this main genomic DNA, there are many extracircular DNA are found which is known as plasmid. Plasmid play an important role in phenotypic characters of bacteria. One of them phenotypic character is antibiotic resistance. Bacteria have shown resistance against antibiotic. This is a type of phenotypic character which is expressed by these plasmid. Plasmid is very important role in genetic engineering. The prokaryotic cell membrane have differentiated to form a special structure is called mesosomes. Mesosomes which help in respirations. Now forms of prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are represented by bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma and PPLO. The full form of PPLO is pleuropneumonic like organisms. Okay. They may vary greatly in shape and size. The four basic shapes of bacteria are Bacillus means rod-like bacteria, Coccus means spherical bacteria, Vibrio means comma-shaped bacteria and Spirulum means spiral bacteria. Okay.